Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone change 20 to 2.0 when typing in iOS 15.3. Solution number 1. Add Ferris and Shortcut. First go to Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on General. On the next page, click on Keyboard. Now click on Text Replacement. Click plus icon upper right corner. Add 24 Ferris and add 24 Shortcut. Once you're done, click Save upper right corner. Solution number 2. Disable autocorrection. Go to Settings app. Next click on General. Now click on Keyboard. Disable autocorrection. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.